this morning feeling fine. I woke up with heaven on my mind. I woke up with joy in my soul, for I knew my Lord had control. I knew I was walking in the light, for I'd been on my knees in the night. And I prayed till the Lord gave a sign, and now I'm feeling mighty fine.